Hi, my name is Jennifer, and I'm a library assistant at the North Columbus Public Library. And today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a binary bracelet. First, let's start with what's binary? Well, computers, they don't speak English. They need special codes to be typed in so they can understand what we want them to do. One of these computer languages is binary. It's a language that uses ones and zeros to talk to the computer to translate our alphabet to theirs. So, for this craft, we are going to be writing our own codes using binary and putting them on a necklace. Yay! So first, you will need an letter to binary conversion chart, which you can find all over the internet, yarn, 2 different colors of marker, scissors, and glue. What you're going to do is you're going to decide what letter or words you want on your necklace written in code. So I'm going to do my name, Jen. So I went to my chart, I found the letters in my name, and I wrote them out for easy reference. Then I decided that ones were going to be represented with pink, and zeros were going to be represented with orange. Then it was time to make my beads. So what you do is you take a piece of computer paper, you cut it up into a long triangle, you color it how you need. So since the first one I need is a 1, I colored it pink. You take glue and you put it all the way down the strip, all the way to the very end. You can take your marker and roll it up with the glue side facing up. So you're rolling so that glue side is sticking and your colored side is out. And then you pop it off and there's your bead. So for Jen, I need a pink bead, an orange bead, an orange bead, a pink bead, an orange bead, a pink bead, and an orange bead for my J. So I went ahead, and this is what my necklace looks like so far with J. An alternative for this, if you have beads, is you can take beads, and again, I have green representing ones and white representing zeros, and I have J, E, N for my name. You can spell out words like fun or happy. You can do your initials. You can do a nickname. You can do anything you like. You can make them necklaces or bracelets, however you feel. So I hope you had fun making this craft. I hope you make lots of binary bracelets. Have fun and stay safe. Bye.
We are springing into summer learning at the Chattahoochee Valley Libraries, and the program you just attended is one of the ways you can earn completions. Just go to cvlga.org and look for Spring into Summer Learning. You can register yourself and your family online, and then start reading and attending our online events. That's all you have to do. We're giving away weekly gift certificates, and every completion you make enters you into a grand prize drawing for tablets, games, gifts, and more. Remember, you have to register to win, cvlga.org, and we'll see you online again real soon.